Welcome to today's quick workout. In just 3 minutes, we're going to target your butt and thighs with powerful moves you can do right at home. No gym, no equipment, just your body weight. Let's get started. First, a quick warm-up. Start with 10 bodyweight squats. Sit back into your heels. Keep your chest lifted. Now 10 high knees in place to wake up those legs and get your heart pumping. Quick hip circles. 5 each direction. That's it. Let's fire up those muscles. Now the main event. Let's hit those thighs and glutes. First up, squats for 30 seconds. Remember, sit back into your heels, knees track over toes, chest stays lifted. Feel that burn. Next up, side lunges. Step wide, push those hips back. Really feel the stretch in your inner thighs. Switch sides, keep that core engaged. You should feel this in your glutes and thighs. Time for glute bridges. Lie on your back, feet flat, knees bent. This is going to target those glutes directly. Push through your heels, lift those hips up, squeeze at the top. Feel those glutes working. Add some pulses at the top. Small movements, big results. Awesome work. Let's cool down with a quick quad stretch. Hold for 15 seconds each leg. Seated forward fold to stretch those hamstrings. Congratulations. You just crushed this 3-minute butt and thigh burner. Repeat this 3 times a week for stronger, toned legs and glutes. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more quick at-home workouts. See you next time.